aya iya aya aya iya aya aya iya aya aya iya hayi thina samasele alinini sabodokotela amasenda sabothishe noma masifuna sabopresident hayi thina samasele alinini sabodokotela amasenda sabothishe noma masifuna sabodokotela hayi thina samasele alinini sabodokotela amasenda sabothishe noma masifuna sabopresident hayi thina samasele alinini sabodokotela amasenda sabothishe ishuma sabopresident bathi wena mawutakiwe wathi kakhulu awena mawutakiwe.
Dumelang re teng le kae re Gauteng maboneng bulang mahlo le ditsebe le bone re moyeng. Welcome again to another episode ya podcast bafethu.
Awe
Hola, a ke tsamaya ke le one as usual wa tseba ke dula ke tshwaretse mathing tse strong,
sure
the latest. So today ke tshwere issue wa ma vocal. What's up issue?
awe good malaka
Mfethu
bafethu issue wa vocal intwana yasekasi uma khona la Mfukeng i1 yeah.
Alright.
So ngeke gama vele abangaziyo bangazi ngo Junior Khoza, but usually stage name issue wa vocal.
Issue makubhlungu sure. Makubhlungu sorry. And yeah, don't forget bafethu to like, share, comment on this episode and subscribe to the channel. Grow our community hore re kgone ho jotsa di story tse ding re tlise di talent tse ding tse ngata tse so feleng. Bane kasi we stay cooking kasi, you know.
Hey.
And today I'm asking hore what's cooking? You know, what's cooking? What's cooking?
Yazi push ispani
Shayli ra.
Ngishaya around ifana
Yeah.
sizobona Hotmani zimtonsile to podcast there.
Uzo push his part. Actually, this is very kintuki batlang, you know, because how we got about Atleko on the episode, you know, he was busy. He's busy on the social media, you know, promoting his stuff, you know. Lena, that's how I caught up with him, you know. I was like, okay, fine, you know what? I like people who are pushing themselves, you know, even though it's not the opportunities and all that, you know, but by pay out there, you know. So I don't know. Let me call up the boy to the podcast, you know, and I told you what's cooking, you know, and you're gonna tell us if he's cooking or what. Yeah, but so yeah, let's get on to it. So every time Magne Muntu invited, you know, so I got a set of questions, you know, as an icebreaker just to check with how Kasi are they,
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get into these questions, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, so you've already answered one. You say K1 is your home in Mfukeng, you know, right? Representing Mfukeng. So
Yeah, but actually, like, I was born in Soweto.
yeah,
I was born in Soweto. Akulela khona, primary school to secondary. Secondary, I'm kahle ngiqalela eKatlehong.
yeah.
It was around 2018 mangifika la eKatlehong, because
Alright.
usually bengiza ngokuzovakasha kahle.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, great stuff. So who gave you your nickname, your Kasi nickname? It could be the one, the Junior Khoza one. I'm not sure if it was the nickname or what.
No, that one is my real name, Junior Khoza. Then issue of my vocal started from the studio.
Yeah.
But nakhona like yazi awuthambisha nje iphisi nyane encane. Ngathi ngihotman lakhe beli exposed to FL vele.
Yeah.
So bekumuntu vele ushaya music. So nayo ntwana waba lento ushaya music. Then besihlala C2 vele. Sihlala C2 la. Yaqala da vele into yethu. Ntwana bekahlezi ashaya ama beats. Mina ubuyasimlanga
Ufake vocal, yeah.
Yabo. So ngaba into yokuthini wena ntwana yini. Ngiyasipostana istyle sakhe ngathi uba nompoka lento issue hayi ntwana ngizokugaya issue yabo.
All right.
So ngathi ngcono ngili-add yabo kube issue ama vocal once ngaveli kube issue kuphela yabo. So yeah, started there.
So funny enough, mina mangibona phela the way we bhala ngakhona is not the way as mawuthi issue, you know.
Sure, yeah, like the way
we bhala as in like issue
as in a problem.
Yes, you know, issues that we have, you know.
Sure. Ukuze ngibhale kanjalo, like I used to be like ngathini kuyabona like masaqala like into
Yeah.
mangelela ngamandla like benginalento ukuthi maybe asithi ngiyafika i-studio session mangizovula like i-mic yeah like bengishisa like amanje yo tsana like wow ayidona ama-line wakho so yeah iqale like ngaba into ukuthi hayi azi ngcono ngibhale kahle
Yeah.
yabo.
Okay. So what's the most gassy thing that I can find in your fridge, man?
Thingibo
Gassy food that I can find.
I mean angisifostanela ikholi
Yeah.
kholi yeah isikhambani
A combination. Yeah. So okay, your favorite gassy slang right now?
Tsotsitali hey
Yeah, like singing show. What's that phrase or that word or that?
ngathi nabo ngaleso
Ngaleso.
akhona ngaleso
Like your favorite, the
Like,
one that you
ngathi,
use when at the most.
language
Explain it
I
to
like
us.
us yabo ngathini I like isikhomane ngayo yabo yeah then ngathini
What's that one phrase? Then you can explain to us within you. Like it's more like we are fundisa,
Sure.
dictionary of some sort. You know?
Okay yeah it's ngicabanga because abhala amagama abhala.
Ngaleso yini.
Okay ngaleso maybe ngathini ngibe ngakhuluma maybe something straight ne
Yeah.
but angibeki ngendlela like wena ozoyizwa ngayo
Exactly,
so
yeah.
ngiyisale yabo
Yeah.
so yeah ungaleso like lamagamanyana nje like kanjalo but like bakhona abantu abayi-understandale la ungijila ekhasi bongaphuma nje uhlangane nomuntu uthi
Yeah.
ukhuluma nami shaya ngaleso uzoba like
Yeah.
hayi ntwana ngiyaku-understand
Alright.
afike ukuthi ngiwaphi
I feel it. Let me understand. Let me understand. So okay, fine, yeah. So uchilo, okay, kota upanisha wanyazi kota you.
hayi toyala ekhasi
Your favorite kota sport again?
khona my sister la ngasephasithini I think MC
Yeah.
League uyashaya kodwa
Yeah, ipasitshini.
thole vele 22
Yeah.
vele phethe zonke lezi
Angizake ngizame.
Yeah.
Nokukhinya nje iline engibonayo nje. Sometimes I'll tell
hayi no fast yacaba and lo muntu uspana like ayi-1
Ayiwe.
uspana ayi-1 but yakhona ukuthi nje ama-customer angafika ayi-7 mara manje like yawaseva manje
Okay.
like ufast ngesipani sakhe
Nice one. Babizani?
igama la yangicaba
Mara kophathisini komsili. Okay, fine. No. We'll try and check it out, you know. School. Which teacher used to roast you the most?
oh yo
And for what?
ay mkwateli ay that one yo mesiteacher fan
Yeah.
yabe ngahleki leyabe team ayifika esekuthi yazi ngathini yazi thina ama-students nokuthi singalaleli maybe singayi homework ifandakhe
Yeah.
sasama ufika esikile awubhalanga khani ufuna ukubhala esikile
Ayisa.
yabo maye sekuba intonyana ezinjalo antwana sekuba nale wena khoza wena
Yeah.
hayi wena ngikufuna eklasini lakho njalo
And
mangifika
who nje khonjwa wena.
nanoma sengingakhulumanga bebe eklasini nje
Yeah.
vela ngilala wena khoza wena ukhuluma kakhulu wena and angisakhulumanga lapho maybe nje
Yeah.
bengicula nje ipeni
Yeah.
angiboleka ipeni
So kahle le issue issue vele isesikele.
asolo esigila vele isisu ngathi esigila ne bengisilema ne but nginaloku corruption yala nje nami ngingabazi yazi
Yeah.
impine
Yeah,
sesigila
it's
ama
growing up,
G10
you know.
plus nama G
Yeah.
sanokuthi especially primary benginalento kushaya amaband like eclassini ngishaya amaband
Yeah.
awuthole sezihawo eclassini
Yo.
yes sekuyajayiva abanye baphezulu kwamatafula that so thola uthisha makangena manje ubani uqale yonke le nto le ibuya kimi
Eish. Wena buzenzele.
ende
So
bengishaye
amtshele ke sesilapha esigela. Uke wabhanka in class for for something, doing some stupid thing or something nje uke.
yeah there was a time vele phethe awuthiyami uthabangi leya inkinga bengezwa lantwana because yiyo vele becela amabhanki asikakhulu
Yeah.
antwana andahayithi isibhanki because besibhankeleni vele otana bekaphethe izona hayi bana siyele phezulu uye vele wangifaka vele inkantini
Ekseni vele.
ekseni vele And my gonna sing a choela nami sekuba into mayizuda maybe Friday sanokuba nje nepankasi nje or nje singangeni isigili yabona ukuthi
yeah
bekama flop
yeah ziyenzeka nye ngithola umuntu ongena story sokubhanka let me check all right so let's say first kasi party you've ever went to like
mina yo let me see kahle yabo Soweto
yeah
kahle bengicole nje ngama street bash yeah ama event lawo like kwawanuwa ngiyabona street bash sanokuthi nje umuntu ahosting speaker nje siwa makaqwale like
yeah since 4 5 10
makaseqwele nje like isesakhipha yabo like ama street bash you
alright
kala ngawo kakhulu.
So what song plays in your mind, you know, like tell me when you bath, when you step out of the house, or just in jail, randomly anything on the la go man shy.
I mean imunyu like yo maswita mnandi imunyu
that's your song, man.
That's my song. That song yo.
We'll check it out.
Ngahlala maybe 2 days ngayilalelanga but the thing ilalela ngibona lento buye shuthi inkada energy on
no kumele si check out. We'll check it out nje will advertise nje manje. All right, so kasi artist that you would like to collab with?
Apa ama artist engifuna ukusipana nawo like us.
Yeah.
Like
we can name 3 since Papa. Yeah.
Let me say Singbo.
Hopefully
bye.
Okay, one again. Man, like you know, just give us something, man.
Vocal Cats.
Shout out Vocal Cats.
Mr. Ganingi. Mr. Ganingi.
Mr. Ganingi.
Mr. Ganingi.
Yeah.
Bani ke umuntu. Mr. Kongolos.
Mr. Kongolos.
Yeah, angaspani naye ntwana ngibele ngispane na.
Was very
my upcoming.
Mostly I know one cat there. Vocal Cats.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cats naye ngahlangana naye. Just nje kushota nje sispa nabo. Like amajita panje. Ngihlanganile nawo. Just nje uyazi ukuba busy nabo. Ukuthi bangatholakala esikhatini esipha.
Bafethu man, yekena ama issue man, lesipane no issue la. Na track yakhe sayifaka manje. Mamela la ungitshela ukuthi anye ucollab nale outhile. Issue ama vocal yini
munyu iphumile all digital platforms and bethu bringo wakho Skia Samavula Vala asihle sulu. Nami vele as you know issue ama vocal bafethu.
Issue.
Danko.
Ngale bathi makube njalo kanjalo uyazi mfethu ngiphethe izinja zami usihle sulu ngiphethe uNskia Samavula Vala ngiphethe uNishu awuyazi bringo wakho ngiphethe kanjalo mfethu bathi kumile imali yomgodi asami bathi kumile imali yomgodi dlala wena mayizuzu ubazana ngithi kamduze nabangani bakho bayithu kumile imali yomgodi dlala wena mayizuzu ubazana ngithi kamduze nabangani bakho bayithu kumile imali yomgodi kumile imali yomgodi kumile imali yomgodi dlala wena mayizuzu kumile imali yomgodi kumile imali yomgodi kumile imali yomgodi ayebringo dlala wena mayizuzu engithi ngamba nabo manjuju abojunjulaya abatwana baka mayizuzu ayibesidli munyu ayibesidli munyu engithi ngamba nabo manjuju abatwana baka junjulaya ayo mayizuzu ayibesidli munyu ayibesidli munyu ayibesidli munyu
Yeah, munyu. Nice one.
Amasweet amnandi ngakhohlwa mafethu.
So yeah, man, like just interested. I'm sure now so interested. We're interested utsibo hore, you know, iqedile ka into wetsalang the journey of the music the issue amava ukali, you know. I check so how would you describe yourself musically, like the person osa tsebeng asuka?
I'm a vocalist, ane. No producer somewhere somehow. We share my beats. Like usually stuffing is shy. Marketing yakona ngasho ikhona like us, but most people yabo. Banye like mangphuma outside.
Okay.
Because last time being selling pompo nosikia samavulava like bafike bahlanyela like they were vibing with us like basifila vele like stuff sabo vele yabo.
Okay.
So almost esikhathini esibhala like asi sikhona yabo, but abasipushi kangaka yabo. So
would you say I'm hearing listening I heard you saying Limpopo, so automatically I thought Licompo, you know.
Yeah.
And I heard you saying Pitori, automatically I was thinking Bariking that genre man, you know. Yeah.
Because
what genre are you doing?
I'm a piano actually.
Okay.
I can say Mkwanti. Boma Pakari, so.
Oh yeah.
Boma Pakari.
Yeah, I wanted to say Pakari, yeah. Okay, so Kiki Fusion, Mkwanti.
Yeah, Mkwanti, Pakari.
Piano.
Yeah, in a piano, Parat, because I think almost this category like Spana Guma genre pa, Afro pop, hip hop, Spana Gu. Yeah, now I'm a piano.
Nice one. So your first track, as you may recall your first track, can you recall your first track? What was it?
First track when saspana Thokoza namachit. I think Beguyi Mumera.
When was that?
I think 2019. Yeah, because that kahlebisiya kumele bekashama beat ekhasi then sina siye la sospan. So ngiyayikhohlwa ama lyrics wayo dala lengoma le.
Akunajive. As long as was with like was there time which I can remember this is my first song again I hear because it has to be sentimental and it has to be that one thing. Nigga that spirit, but you know what, I can actually do this.
Yeah.
So what makes your music kasi rooted?
Ngathini? Kasi culture yabo. Yeah, like into like ngikhule like ngizibona. Yabo nabantu engiphile nabo yani. Ekasi nje yaqaba ikasi lija.
So you sing about what you go through
ikasi yabo. So ezenzeka la ikasi into like engibuka ophila kuzo. Into like esayenzeka no vele. Yeah, because izibhayo.
Okay. So describe your studio vibe, you know. I remember, okay, but you've already said, okay, fine. You've already said when I'm in the studio, emergency, like.
Yeah, I used to be like, Mangzo, maybe studio session and maybe it's Papa. Then obvious, maybe someone shy beat there. Then song is lasa pala. But one thing's on getting my kid. Yasuga pa. Shoot like it. Na maji tankale spirito Antoine. Wale to keep a maji. Oblilo boy. So he of Elinto in the velu with that. Boy,
right.
I see. Let's keep pushing.
At least, you know, in about two, so I be the good. I know I sing Sabungena on the mic. So at least Bakuta.
Yeah, Bakuta.
Okay. So your latest work. Tell us about your latest project.
I'm working on an EP, but actually I'm drop next year because this year kahle ngisingile yabo. Drop isingile around the 28th this month. Then next year akhana ngizothinga ngikhiphe EP. EP lami Cisco number 10.
Cisco number 10.
Yeah, Cisco number 10, which is representa uncle lami lidlala itis.
Okay.
Yabo. So Cisco vele. So yeah, ngiyalifostana vele ligama lakhe like
udlalela i-team
bekadlala la eMfukeng khona
Yeah.
lesi beka-trainer nazo nakizone 3
okay
bekadlala nawo majidi
uNtswembu.
uNtswembu na
Tell me the message behind the very song.
munye ne
No, it was
Cisco number 10
Cisco number 10. Yeah.
yeah Cisco number 10 project vele isipana to le yasemzini yabo
Yeah.
ski and stuff then zobe like khuluma nangezinto zala ekhasi combination nje
Alright.
ezifaya
Yamkhumbuza i-track ethi Black Jesus Scara. Done by enye out Pulanala. Shout out to him. So any collabs kule project or
with that project betiskia skia samavula vala
Yeah,
awuthi
yeah,
yami
yeah,
hlezi nginayo
Yeah.
Rita the creator
Okay. Rita the creator.
Rita the creator is a producer
Okay.
Ringo wako is a producer too Mera like babaya Castro the Punisher Castro the Punisher show
Shout out to Castro.
um
Ezinye.
pop the champagne kuni athi yami ne pop ne mnandi athi shama like
Yeah.
guy then khona nomntana engizobe ngiphethe uAmahle uCulisulu
Yeah.
so naye kahle khona isingili engishaye naye uPastor 929 izodropa next year
Yeah.
next year
Oh, that's great. Yeah, the deep Pastor 929. All right, nice one. Can't wait to check that out, man. Puma was check them feed so that
yeah igama le project ngiyabonga
Ngiyabonga.
ngiyabonga
All right, nice one. So tell me, what do you represent? You know, as an artist from the hood. What do you want to represent the hood as outside there?
culture like us yabo
Yeah.
like ngifuna uphakamisa ikasi like kune talent ebhala like us
Yeah.
yabo like athi intwana ezibhala like asitholi opportunity like amanye amakasi yabo
Yeah.
for example maybe Soweto yabo Soweto like bayapusha and stuff so like us impala is talented but azitholi opportunity ukuthi siphume maybe yabo maybe nakhona masiphuma sihlangana nabantu like abangekho grand
Yeah.
aziwele esandleni ezigrand
Yeah.
so
Zingasatoli that grooming and
granding
grinding.
grand
Yeah.
so nami like yeah into like engifuna ukushaya cabe maybe the next coming years ngiyazi ukuthi khona something engiyenzela intwana zala enkasi
Alright.
esipusha
Nice one. Fethu. Actually, we share the same vision with the podcast, you know, because we want to create an outlet, you know, whereby now upcoming local, you know,
Hey.
Mangeza and expose themselves to the masses, you know, expose themselves to a situation whereby now
yeah.
you're being interviewed, you know, so that you can be able with now in future.
you know something
You know, with man, go to interview. This is how I handle myself. Or could I
Sure.
interview Petelana? So this is how I can maneuver
Yeah.
manje and grow from there. You know.
Yeah.
So I still meaning I'm a star.
Ngama-stars, sure.
Still
upcoming
I still ngegolide when still
Sure.
ngamatshe. You know, asise
Sure.
raw asimele ukuthi
That's
fine,
fine,
right?
sure.
Then you know with equality that thing, in time on that thing. So shout out. Community and culture. Let's check. You know. What issues does your music speak to, like lyrically?
inkinga ezenzeka la enkasi yabo
Yeah.
like ngathi youth yabo most
Yeah.
youth
Well, you touch on
la
challenges.
emphakathini
Yeah.
yabo ne crime nje yenzakalayo la enkasi
Okay. So you cover you basically storytelling, you know, ikasi to umuntu ongazi ukuthi these are the things
sure
ezenzakalayo.
yenzakalayo yabo thando everything
Alright. Nice one. So future plans, you know, mawangitshela nje your 2-year vision nje musically, you know. Nani nje snippet of a 2-year plan.
like nje ngifuna ukushaya istudio la enkasi
Yeah.
yabo which is zobe ngisipana nama-artist abhaya and nango-work camp because ngiyakhona vele ukusipana with camp
Yeah.
producing like izinto ezibhayo. So like ngizobe ngipush izinto ezibhayo the upcoming years.
Okay.
Just nje samele nje izinto zihlangane zibe grand.
Yeah.
To push nje.
So mangaba in that position whereby now you can do things, and obviously you'll be roping in the new kids.
Sure.
Learn, you know.
Sipushwa kanjani
To be
kahle.
groomed. Okay. Nice one. Actually, you should add, lapho, you know, the music business side of things, you know.
Hey.
You know, young people need to be taught that as well, you know.
Yeah,
Getting into music.
So.
Yeah. You know, because bangena bona, you know, with that fire, with that talent in J.
Sure.
Then mara mentality
Mentality
business, you
ayikho
know.
sure.
Yeah, then umuntu 5 years uyakhala ukuthi hey bangishayi, you know, I
sure.
produced that or I sang on that.
Hey.
Okay. So not locally now. I'm not looking local. I'm looking manje could be not locally only.
Okay.
Yeah, let me put it that way. It could be locally, it could be international.
Internationally.
You know, it could be intermediary, like your collab, you know, your dream collab, you know, it could unlock things, you know, for me or something like that.
On our Jimmy Sekets from UK, that guy, yeah, Pusha, that guy.
Okay.
Yeah, been Kurmana, so yeah. Nai konito very sehlanganisa yabo. Yeah, but sapusha something because uzodropa masikudala. I think uzobe kune music video shooting for Bulama Access.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uspana na intwana. Actually like ngihlangane naye ngontwana.
Or through Buddha Access.
Bulama Access. Yeah. That guy yapusha that guy.
Buddha.
Yeah,
Shout out to Buddha
yeah,
Access. You know? Yeah. Ngiyabona vele mnokuhlangana nama network zakhe, you know.
Hey.
So hopefully now I will get him to come and sit here, you know, as a story circle.
Hey.
No. All right. So what could I say, mind you, what could be your biggest challenge right now, you know, musically?
No kahle angisipani sakelexile.
Yeah.
Because ngisabhekane namagigi nobu stuff. And my izinto ezibhayo because kunokuvela ipani ngapha yabo and ithole maybe khona into ekubizayo no music ngapha esayidini sikumele ngapha ngene isipani yabo. So ama challenges engifisana nawo.
But then aren't you able ukuthi ungakhona ukuthi ubalance the two, because I believe ukuthi isipani mokhuluma ngesipani ukhuluma nge-potential capital, you know, for yourself ukuthi umaneuver kahle.
Sure, side hustle.
Yeah, you know, I'm checking with, can't you be able to balance the two?
Ngiyakhona sekuthi like sivela zisibhaya yabo. Nokufika maybe because ngokushaya ama poster vile.
Yeah.
Ama edit ama poster and stuff.
Right.
Nokufika maybe umuntu afuna ngimshayele iposter. Ngapha maybe ngisipana nobani so gcina sezahlangana ngapha kumele ngisipani vele kube yabo. So yeah.
And my 2 cents on that, yeah. If I could ngifake 2 cents on yami lapho ukuthi you know, at this age ngeke ngafika kuyo manje semeni ngiyabheka, I'm looking back with you know what?
So
Ayike into engikhalelayo because I've done almost into buying kokotile ngenzeni, you know. So I believe ukuthi and manje I'm not yet done also, you know.
hey.
I'm still having that spirit so vuka ukhodo ukuthi invent do this and uzame ngapha indoda iphenya but
Sure.
then kunalento leyo ukuthi you can multitask kube octopus in fact ushaya ngezandla ezibhayo, you know.
Sure.
Going to work usetaxini or inama earphones ala
Sure.
ubhala ingoma.
Sure.
Mawubuya later on 6 down or 5 down uye studio ntwana ish.
Sure.
You know, while I was ngibhalelo ngicela ukuleyisa.
Sure.
Then you know that's what I'm talking about. Unlike ukuthi ngiyaspana mina, then uyespanini uyabuya uyalala, uyespanini uyabuya uyalala. Then weekend uthi ukuthi uzenza something high sifike ngamakhula box.
Sure.
So coach. So
Jayile futhi.
ugcine vele nje 20 days or 21 days after that.
Sure.
You no longer know how to write.
Yeah.
Or outside of inspiration.
Asana
You know. So I would advise you to know what.
Sure.
Noma sibhaya kanjani izinto ziyenze njani.
Hey.
Zenze zama ukuhlanganisa, make time for everything.
Yeah.
So
ngiyakuzwa.
let's check.
Abana ngiphethe.
Yeah, ibambe kanjalo because ayikho easy yabona. Because nasendlini bawukhala mfethu ukuthi hey wena nale music wakho
Solo
uyophopha nini, you know.
sure.
Solo usilindile.
Solo usafakile sinkwanyana kuyendoda.
Mara mawuspana month end uyabuya na something. You know?
Sure.
So we balancing that thing ukuthi endlini bangakhali ukuthi you are trying to pursue your dreams.
Sure.
Whereas you know she space ukuthi indlala ingene yabona.
Yeah, sure.
So mawuzenza zoyi-2 at least ke baba satisfied ke.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know. Ahamba
Wayenza music wakho.
ukatsama wedi katarenza
But
ha.
ngapha khona ubhalance sayidini yabo.
Exactly. Bayibiza ke kataro ukatsama wedi katarenza ha. So even it goes out to you Luena upcoming artist, you know. Gore uskabana li vision eso yabona.
Sure.
Tamele at least uba ne vision wide yabona, so
Yeah,
that ukhona uri ezinye izinto you can be able to tap on other skills zona lenzona, tap on other talents zona lenzona, use everything that you got within the time, because once you hit a certain age, you know, so nama responsibilities so nani usakhona ukuthi upushe
Balance again.
yeah yabona. So
Kusicela songasazigeni kai. Ngispanele
ngibona yeah
ngeke maybe music or whatever yabo. Because ugcina soshaya pressure.
exactly. So ngiyakuzwa mfethu, so I think sizomamela enye track yakho ke yona uyibizani ke
The other track is Mexico. Nayo iphumile lethu sihle soul sikia samavulavala ngo Retali Create. Mexico kama le
Mexico.
Yeah,
Mexico. So yeah, let's check it out mfethu. Tell us if it's cooking or what. It's very issue of vocal. Dango.
Ay macala mani yabona namhlanje ngihamba nombali ngamehla ama-China ufuna ukuya eMexico ayisodla amathako siphuze nama-Don Julio ay macala mani yabona namhlanje ngihamba nombali ngamehla ama-China uthi ufuna ukuya eMexico sodla amathako siphuze ama-Don Julio
Anjengubona sesiphuthuma thina sesishesha ukwazi isiphelile isikhathi sokuthesha abathi ngenile thina sokuthela ngiyakutshela ufuna kuputshwala ngizokuthenga before khuluma nami unayo kumandela sabiza idongulo bathi thina siyadelela ahlokomela before sikukabandela ngifuna ukusela utshwala abadela mike galela asesiphuthuma thina sesishesha ukwazi isiphelile isikhathi sokuthesha abathi ngenile thina sokuthela ngiyakutshela ufuna kuputshwala ngizokuthenga before khuluma nami unayo kumandela sabiza idongulo bathi thina siyadelela ahlokomela before sikukabandela ngifuna ukusela utshwala abadela mike galela ashike Mexico wozamani wena shike Mexico wozamani wena shike Mexico woza wena mani shike Mexico shike Mexico woza wena mani shike Mexico woza wena mani shike Mexico woza wena mani shike Mexico shike Mexico umunatimo sidla mathako anabantwana bakho ashike Mexico umunatimo asidla mathako anabantwana bakhona
Yeah. Powerful song, Mexico. Yeah.
So la mathako wafithu.
Namanje. So yeah, tell me something that your fans don't know about you, you know, and it's something that you can share, mhlawumbe, you know.
Ngabacaba ukuthi ngipostana idisc abantu amabhanga.
Awazi ukuthi uyalazi
Ngiyacaba.
iposition udlala.
I used to be a goalkeeper until ngaphuka isandla.
Yeah.
Bese ngikwaza ngofreeze yabo.
Yeah.
Freezer.
Namanje, okay. So another thing I issue of vocal, well dribble. Edlala ibhola like every other kasi kid, you know. Namnyakena mara ngikho, you know. Abalekela ku music and art, you know. So what's the biggest motivation that you've ever received, you know?
ekhona athi bengisipana nayo shuthi leyantwana uyasipana like athi it's not music kahle yabo into zo music like umuntu nje like bengisipana sayasile like upusha amapalcon like uyenza zona lo uyasipana like that guy like uye vele like konke iskills ukuthi if nje ngihleli kasi ngazama ngisipana sona so
Exactly.
so umuntu lekahle ngibhekela kuye ke noma ngicaba zinile nje la ekasi ngiyakuye ukukhona ukuthi
Exactly, kufuneka abantu abanjalo mfethu umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi indoda senza kanje man.
sure
Indoda, this is how I'm doing, you know, this is you know, this is where you can try, you know, even if mhlawumbe ungambonisi vele ukuthi wena usithathaphi isinkwa sakho mara ngayenye option, you know.
Sure.
Because I feel with abantu sometimes baba comfortable with people crying over their shoulders. But hey man, in umuntu feel powerful for helping umuntu.
Sure.
Ngefish every day.
Sure.
Angambonisi ukuthi intwana yabona
So,
impilo kahle. Ungathola i-rail.
Sure.
Wathola intambo.
Sure.
Wathola ibhakede. Waya lapha ya emfuleni.
Okanje waphatha nje noma ifishnet,
You know, so
just nje ucava ukuyibalance ibambe
Exactly.
uya namafish.
ama-advice we shouldn't somehow assume ukuthi abantu be-garret figured, you know, because khona abantu abazosaba ukukutshela, you know, mara
Sure.
and mara makalambili uzokutshela ukuthi emfethu ngikawulekile because indlala vele uviyasenyeke uphikisane nayo mara ukuthi emfethu manje ispanish itholakala kuphi, you know, uyatwafa because
Sure.
nawe mhlawumbe ofare. What I'm trying to say ukuthi let's look out for each other bafethu kule economy kaRamaphosa bafethu, you know, ukuthi kunzima, so kwamele sibhekelane, you know. So advice to the upcoming
Mafethu asipusheni if like because mina yabo kufana njengami ekhona bala kutsala ukugubuza ukuthi hayi mfana phela wena xa ukuthi umusic ocala uthanda ukubeka ifoni ngaphezulu uzirecord ushaya amavidiyo etime ngirelax akhuluphala yabo push yabo so icede sekuba into vele nami ngijwayelayo so like anything like umuntu ayenza akakhipha ifocus kuyo apushe like ahlangane nabantu if like you artist like us maybe you stuck somewhere like phuma mfethu uhlangane nabantu like you'll get to learn more now ubone ukuthi kahle kahle ushwa kanjani
exactly
ushwa kanjani because nami like ngayithola kanjani indlela yabo just nje ukuphuma ngihlangane nabantu singini maybe ngejozi or singini emitrend just nje ngokuhlangana nalowo muntu loyo yakufundisa something ukuthi okay maybe asithi uhlangana nemanager yabo or artist maybe ufuna umanage lapho kufundisa ukuthi okay ntwana mongayenza sona so uzoba crime.
So because mostly abantu mangazi most upcoming, you know, they would go to an extent ukuthi mhlambe unomngane, so lo mngane lo so kuba u-manager yakho. Is it advisable that thing or you should look, because since we're talking about the manager, is advisable to have a friend and a manager?
But somehow kumele kube umuntu mina ngisho partners like umuntu ngiyokhulena, not just any friend like umuntu uzohlangana naye because abantu bazokubhoma ngeke wahleke na. So ngcono like ngimohlangana umuntu like okhule naye or umuntu wasendlini yabo uzounderstand ukuthi okay mfana kusona so okay lento yakho uthi siyenza kanjani sicala kanjani yabo sibheke ukuthi yini engasi affect asibheke ukuthi yini ezosisa phambili yabo.
And again uku-add that mawufuna i-manager kungabe umuntu naye who is an artist ngapha esayidini, you know, uthola ukuthi i-manager yakho nayo ifuna ukuba i-star, you know.
Sure.
It tends to be problematic nakhona,
because my gcina my like so yenza izinto ezibhaya yabo okasinini yakwatela sikuba manje ngishamaya sacaba ukuthi kenzakalani singixabene yabo sikathatha izinto zakho yabo sikacaba ucaba nezinto zakho mina yabo wena ucaba next
exactly.
When I artist uyazperformela wazi ukuthi behind the scenes ingahlekeza
Yeah, we should go for professional management team there.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I think we just summed up most of the things that we uzazi abana. Now issue of vocal and lona more malape more. Hopefully you got to hear what the boy is cooking with. So also when now rona mo le commenting or is he cooking or what? The support for you know, you would know. Only star because I will bring it every time. And you wouldn't know which star is top of hand, you know. So
sure.
We want to give them support to go further, propel them to the next level, you know.
Hey.
So any last words, my G, you know, it could be anything out of your mind. And
mina ngithanda nje ukubonga ukuthi Khotman ngidonsile today. Nani kini ama viewers ngithanda ukubonga if ubukele le episode noma ayibukeli. Ngithanda ukubonga nje for support. Machita sekasi asiphusheni. You can find me on Instagram, TikTok, issue ama vocal, Spotify, Apple Music, Google. You can search issue ama vocal.
Yeah. So digital stores, that's where you add your music is there. Issue ama vocal, go check him out. You know, random numbers. You know, so that I trended and you know, follow me there. You know, so now I'm always happy when I see fresh young talent. You know. Because I believe they will do better, you know, in this era, social media, you know, which is key era, you know. So let's just give it up for them, you know. So yeah, we'll see you again. You're good. We'll see you again on another episode. Your podcast. You like, you subscribe, you comment, you share this content to other people, you know, so that it's all
shout out to Machita Sekasi, especially Bafitsu. It's your family. One love, Bafitsu.
One love, Ralebo. Peace out. Nice one. Yeah. No, nice one, G.
Listen to me very carefully.